My name is Mrs. Goose, and I was one of the gooses at Goose Fair. It used to be in the market square in town, and all they used to sell is gooses like me. They did not have much rides and sell candy and sweets. It has been open for 700 years. That is a lot, don't you think? Then the market square was too small, so they went to a place called the Forest. It is really big with 2 fields on it and a park. Still, we're on Goose Fair. Now we have more rides in our days. Do you like rides? It's much bigger now nowadays, and they have more rides. They don't sell gooses like me no more. It is still going on now. We have lights and music on our Goose Fair. It's really big now, and it goes on at day and night.